let's now shift our focus, and we're getting some more inputs as well as far as the situation in West Asia is concerned. A post that has been put out by US President Donald Trump. It is a fresh statement that has come on the Strait of Hormuz, the very crucial waterway, which Trump wants reopened at any cost. But now Iran has decided to close the Strait of Hormuz because of Israeli strikes in Lebanon against the Hezbollah. Now, Trump, in fact, in this particular post has said if deal is not complied with, then, of course, there is going to be something bigger that the world can really expect. All U.S. ships, aircraft and military personnel with additional ammunition, weaponry and anything else that is appropriate and necessary for the lethal prosecution and destruction of an already substantially degraded enemy will remain in place in and around Iran until such time as the real agreement is reached and is fully complied with. If for any reason, he says, it is not, which is highly unlikely, then the shooting starts bigger and better and stronger than anyone has ever seen before. It was agreed a long time ago, and despite all of the fake rhetoric to the contrary, no nuclear weapons and the Strait of Hormuz will be open and safe. In the meantime, there you have it. This is the post that he has put out at this point in time. All U.S. ships, aircraft, military personnel with additional ammunition, weaponry and anything else that is appropriate and necessary for the lethal prosecution and destruction of an already substantially degraded enemy, talking about Iran here, will remain in place in and around Iran until such time as the real agreement reaches and is fully complied with. And he says, and it's a warning, if for any reason it is not, which is highly unlikely, then the shooting starts bigger and better. So a bigger warning they're coming in from Trump to Iran specifically, because there has been a violation clearly, and he's saying that shooting will start. It will be bigger, better, as well as stronger than anyone has ever seen before. Remember, earlier he spoke about wiping out the